Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about something many people are curious about right now, and that is a platform called Remotely4u. You might have seen it online or in a Facebook group, or someone maybe told you that you can get a remote job as a chat operator. But before you go and apply, I want to explain what this site really is, how it works, and if it is a safe or not. So stay with me till the end of this video. Also, I have put the official link and updated information in the description of this video, so make sure you check that out after watching this video to get the most recent updates and apply safely if you want. Okay, so let's get started with Remotely4u. So what does it do? It is a website that offers people a chance to work from home as a operator, chat operator mainly. That means you will be chatting with users, usually responding to text message, and you don't have to show your face or speak over the phone. Everything is done by writing. This is what makes it popular because many people don't want to do voice calls or video work. According to their website, they pay about $0.10 per message, which means 10 cents, and they say that if you are active, you can earn up to $200 or $400 per month, depending on how many messages you reply to. They also say the work is flexible, meaning you can log in anytime and work when you want. Now, here's the thing. Even though this sounds good, you need to talk honestly about what kind of chat this is. Remotely4u is not like a customer support job. Instead, it is more like adult theme chatting. That means many users who message you may send flirty or adult content, and they expect replies like that. So yes, you can work from home and it's real text-based chatting, but the topics are often personal or romantic and maybe not suitable for everyone. So if you are not comfortable with that kind of work, then this is probably not for you. And now the question is, Remotely4u is real or fake? From all the research I have done, Remotely4u is not a scam. It is a real company and there are many reviews where users say they got paid. But of course, the income depends on how active you are. Some people only earn a small amount because they don't stay online often. Some others make more by spending more time chatting. You get paid through PayPal or bank transfer, usually once a month, but one important thing is you must reply to a minimum number of messages to stay active on platform. If you don't meet that number, they maybe stop giving you the task. Also, they ask for ID verification or ID during the sign up. This is a part of their identity check, and while it can feel risky, it's normal for companies dealing with adult content or check ages. So Remotely4u is a real and paying website, but the type of work may not be for everyone. If you are okay with chatting in flirty or adult type of content and you are looking for a flexible work from home with no video or calling, then you can give it a try. But don't expect high pay fast and make sure you are comfortable with the content first. I have left the official website and any updates in the description below. If this video helped you to decide and understand, then please like and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more honest review like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.